Hello, assalamu alaikum my lovelies. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you this natural glam kind of smoky eye look. A lot of my friends requested me for this, so I thought I'll do this look for you. So let's get started. First of all, I'm taking my BH Cosmetics Pro Palette. This is a Pro Palette. You don't have to have a Pro Palette. You can use any eyebrow product that you might have. And I'm just drawing lines under my under the what should I say? Gosh, where my eyebrow hair are starting from the bottom actually, and then just on the top, and then filling in between. If that explains, I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm lost for words today. And making it a bit round. I'm not happy with my shape today, so I will correct it after. My grandma used to say, if you can't do anything in one go, don't just try, keep on doing it, give it some time and then come back to it later. So I always do it in my everything. Now I'm going to do my other eyebrow. So my eyebrows are not very similar. One is a bit longer and then it just goes down. The other one goes down in the middle, but I like to them the way they are. So now I'm taking Maybelline the Eye Eraser, I think it's called, in the color nude. I'm just going over on my eyes. What it does is it helps to get rid of any discoloration or any capillaries or arteries, what are they called, in your eyes. So you get rid of them and it gives you a smooth canvas to do your eyeshadow. Look, it looks quite clean now to work on. It does not look like my skin tone, but it looks clean. Now I'm setting it with the powder. Every time you apply a cream product, except your lips, you need to set it with the powder, otherwise it's gonna move. So now I've set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm just taking any brown color on a fluffy eyeshadow brush and then just going on top of my eyes without any rule, to be honest, and just going on all over my eyelid and just doing the same on the other eye. I'm taking a big fluffy brush so I can apply the color and blend it at the same time. At this point you don't have to worry too much about the blending. Just keep on doing what you can do and then you can blend it afterwards. So I'm just going to blend the outer edges now. Look quite alright now, and going to do the same on the other side. Looks quite alright. Blending a bit more. Okay, now I'm taking this Kiko Milano gel eyeliner, and I'm taking an angled eyeliner brush and taking this product on the brush and just going on top of my lash line to do my eyeliner. I'm just gonna wing it a little bit. Lately I'm really enjoying to do my eyeliner with these angle brushes. I used to dread doing them, but now I enjoy doing them. So now I change the side, and the thing is this the eyeliner comes out really crisp with it. You'll see. So I really like it. Now I'm going to do the same on the other eye. I like to do small strokes and then build it up. And just doing my eyeliner now, making sure there are no gaps and they look equal. No, they don't. I always ruin my eyeliner. Never mind, we can always fix it. I don't like to crop or edit these parts, just to give you some just to give you some hope that it's not that if I'm doing my makeup too much, I don't get these moments. I ruin my and look, I ruined my eyeliner again. Never mind. So yeah, I ruin my eyeliner a lot of the times. It does not matter how many times you're doing it. You just have to be lucky to have a perfect winged eyeliner. So I just cleaned it. There we have it. Now I'm taking this pencil by Maybelline. It's the best gel eyeliner pencil. It's so good. It's so creamy. It glides on so well. But the thing with the applying eyeliner direct from the pencil, it's like you need to sharpen it too much, and then there's a lot of product waste. I don't like to do that, so I like to apply it with the brush. And if I'm doing inside my eyes, then I do it straight from the pencil. Now I'm using this L'Oreal True Match foundation. I absolutely love this foundation, and I forgot it over time for some reason, and I'm back to it now. I'm just obsessed with it these days. Now I'm applying it, buffing it into my skin with Real Techniques foundation brush. I'm doing a very sheer coverage today. I'm not going to be too heavy. I think I've only taken half a pump or maybe one pump of the foundation, and then just blending it into my skin, a bit under my eyes as well. My dark circles are not too bad, so I don't need to color correct it. A bit of foundation and concealer helps to conceal them. And just buffing my foundation into my skin really well. You need to make sure that you take your time when you're doing your foundation. Don't rush it, otherwise it's not going to set well. Now just going to apply on my forehead. Foundation, gosh. It's really hard to do it when I've got my scarf on. But I did it. Yay. And then now just brushing in whatever's left on the brush. And now I'm going to do my concealer. I'm using the same concealer. It's a really good everyday or natural looking concealer. I really like it. I like to apply it a bit more than I need because it's very thin and it gets absorbed in the brush or the sponge a lot. So I think you need to apply a bit more than you actually need if you're blending it with a brush or a sponge. If you're blending it with your finger, then you need to take the amount you actually need, if that makes sense. I'm blending it with my same foundation brush, and I sometimes like to blend my concealer with my foundation brush as well. And that's it. Blend. When you need a flawless foundation or under eye concealer or a nice eyeshadow look, all you need to do is blend. So my husband's working from home, so he's always sitting in the room where I'm doing my videos. So we always having a chat. If you see me talking in the videos and you're like, what is she doing? Who is she talking to? Now I'm setting my under eye concealer with my Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder, and a bit of setting of my foundation as well. I like to set it with a big brush. It's just so quick. I don't have patience to set it with a small brush. Now I'm applying eyeliner on my top and bottom lash line. Today I'm going to go a bit smokier, so I'm applying on my bottom lash line as well. I exactly look like my mum when I do my bottom lash line eyeliner. I look a lot like my mum. Just doing some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I really like it. It really smokes out the look. Now I'm squeezing a fluffy brush to make it fit in my under eye. No, it didn't work. So I've got a pencil brush. Pencil brushes are your best friend when you're doing under eye. Oh, that's a tired face. It's really tiring, I'm telling you. Okay. So yeah, I've come back to my eyebrow now, which I left in the beginning, and I'm going to do it with the pencil. This pencil by Benefit is really, really good if you want to achieve a natural eyebrow look. Now I'm trying to do the other one to make it look a bit similar. Here comes the contouring. I contour with a bronzer. There is a difference between them, which I now understand, but I really like to do my contouring with the Hoola bronzer. It's my absolute favorite. The brush, the small brush that comes with it, is really handy. Now I'm blending it with a clean brush. That looks quite blended now. Just blending my, not blending, just contouring my nose. I don't like very sharp contouring on the nose. I've done it several times and I don't like it every time. So I just do very light contouring on the nose. Even for my brides, I don't do very harsh contouring. This is a peachy blush by Sweet Touch. It's a Pakistani brand. I absolutely love it. I got this not foundation. I got this blush ages ago, and I've not hit the pan yet. I don't know how much product they put in there. I mean, I've been using it for years. I don't know what's in that product. Do they even have a pan at the bottom? Sometimes I feel like scraping it and checking if it has a pan, or I don't know. So blending it very lightly. When you're doing your blush or your contour or your highlight, you need to do it very light-handed, so you don't move the hard work you've done setting your foundation. Now I'm doing my highlighter, keeping it very natural, as it's a simple, natural look. Blend, blend, blend. All you need to do is blending. Now using my Kiko Milano mascara and doing this on my top and bottom lashes. This is really nice because it has a very tiny brush and it gives you quite a bit of precision. I've used mascara like over the years a lot, and I used to use waterproof one every day, so my lashes are absolutely gone. I've got hardly any lashes left. Now I'm using a liquid lipstick by Lime Crime, and this is bleached, I believe. It's a very pretty color, but it's not looking very pretty on me, so I think I'm gonna change it afterwards. Yep, it's definitely not looking very nice with this look. If it was a glam look or anything like that, it might have looked good, but not this one. Nope, big no. Now I'm going to outline my lips. I always try that I don't wear the lip liner, but I don't know, I just love doing outlining of my lips. And now I'm doing outlining with a brown pencil. This pencil is by the same brand, Sweet Touch, from Pakistan. I really like this brand. The products is really nice. I only have these 3 products and I absolutely love them. I think when I'm gonna go back to Pakistan again, I will buy a lot more products from them, inshallah. And that's done. That looks a bit better. That's like it. Now I'm going to do my eyelashes, I think. Yes. I filmed another detailed tutorial how to do how to apply the false lashes in between this tutorial. so I will edit that later. And these are the clips from that one, so I just fast forwarded it. If you want to watch that, you can watch that. Now I'm applying mascara on my falsies, and always put eyeliner on top of the glue, otherwise it shines and it looks absolutely awful. I sometimes forget to do it and I regret it. Glad I remembered it today. So I think that's the complete look. Yes, I'm posing, that means I'm done. I try to pose, but I don't know how to. Very awful at posing, so I would stick to the pictures, I think. I thought I was taking pictures, but actually it was on video. Alright, so that's the complete look. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next look. Bye!